Another good win against Blaenau Ffestiniog by 4-0 at the Cyfweliad tonight.
Yeah, you know, as we said, Saturday was important that we got back into the league competition, get the 3 points, and start to build that momentum for us going forward. Now, performance was okay tonight. There's still areas where we need to improve massively. As I keep going on up to the players, you know, we set ourselves standards, but we've kept the clean sheet. We've got 4 goals and we've come away with the 3 points. That's ultimately the most important thing. But we reflect now, next couple of days, and we look forward now to welcoming Towin on Friday.
Did the 2 early goals affect the performance?
No, I mean we wanted to start quick. We wanted to start right, and it was pleasing that we did. But I just felt once we got the goals and we sort of had a cushion, we didn't really build on the momentum that we built on early. So it was disappointing in that sense. But saying that, as I said, we haven't conceded. Bllaenau have had a few chances which we're not happy about as a team really, because on another day they could have got a few goals themselves and made it a bit more of a game. In reflection, you know, they worked hard, and it's great to come to Bllaenau. You know, the pitch played well. So, as I said, Friday now is the most important thing.
Friday, and made a big decision early on with Rhys Allen on the bench, but came on and scored a great goal to finish.
Yeah, you know, Rhys's been doing superb. He's been one of our biggest threats, if not the biggest threat this season for us through pre-season. He's done everything right, but unfortunately in front of goal it hasn't quite happened for him. You know, dropping him tonight was nothing to do against his performances. It was more about his the rotation in the squad. That's all it was. We've got a squad, we've got to use the players. We've got games coming up thick and fast. As I said, we've got Friday, we've got Canroost next Tuesday, we'll also come the following Saturday. So these games are coming fast, and for Rhys to come on, you can see by the celebration all the players went straight towards him, and it's great. And if he can build on that now on his fine form and start finishing off his chances, that he gets himself into those areas, you know, it would be frightening how many goals he'll go on and get. But ultimately, as long as he's doing what he does, we're happy.
Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Iawn, diolch.